Hello and welcome to my unboxing of the Bitspower plastic hard tubing Retouch kit. This is for the 16mm outer diameter. They also do have a kit for the 12 and the 14 outer diameter version. Now, first of all, anytime you order from Bitspower directly, they do give you this cute little dragon thing. I'm not entirely sure what it's used for. It's got a clip. Maybe you can use it for cable management, or you can just clip it off somewhere and make it look kind of cute. Next, let's go ahead and take a look what's actually included in the kit. So first of all, you're gonna have a industrial grade professional pipe cutter for cutting your hard PETG or acrylic tubing. And this is very easy to operate. You tighten it around the tube and you just rotate the tube so the pipe cutter blade will cut the tube. And next, it comes the camphor tool. This is to smooth out the edges of your cuts. This will go ahead and smooth out the inside of the tube, and then this other side will go ahead and smooth out the outer edge. That is to prevent any sharp edges on the cut. So when you insert it into the fitting, it does not cut your rubber O-ring and cause leak future down the line. As far as the mandrels, it does come with 3 separate mandrel. The first one is for the 30 degree, 60 degrees, as well as the 90-degree bend. This will be one of the more used ones, as 90-degree bends are very, very popular. And majority of the time, that is the band that you will be using the most. Of course, you can be a little more creative and do other type of bends. Next, we have a 180-degree bend. So this can be used to make those long roundabout turns for your hard tubing. The last is a 360 degrees mandrel. This is for more creative bends, or when you need a specific odd angle that's not included with any of the other kit, you can use this to create those bends. And these two are part of the reason why I went with this kit. These are the desk mounts or for to any other surface. Essentially, you have these two pieces of metal, you put them together, you thread some nut and bolt through this, and these will clamp down on any surface, and you'll be able to mount your mandrels directly to this. Most other kits does not include any type of mount, and they expect you to mount your mandrel to 2x4 pieces of wood. And I prefer having something that I can use directly at my desk without having a large piece of wood nearby. So these are the screws for mounting the mandrels to the mount itself, and then these are the nuts and bolts used to connect the two pieces together. We also have some Allen wrenches for all the nuts and bolts that is included as part of the kit. Underneath, we'll have the silicone cord. This is used to insert into your hard tubing to prevent any kinks while you're bending the actual tube. So this is a pretty full feature kit, and it does give you everything you need with exception of the heat gun to perform all your tube bends. And that has been the unboxing and first look of these the Bitspower plastic tube on Retouch kit. Feel free to leave any questions in the comment, and I'll do my best to get back to you guys. And in the future, I'll be making more videos as far as PC building, cable management, and other type of PC mods. So feel free to like and subscribe to this video, and have a great day.